How to produce a money magnet e-commerce website. If you have been online for more than a day, you've most likely heard of some guru somewhere advising that you create a money magnet website. A website that is highly automated and assists you make a money 24 hours a day. While that might sound excellent, what they often forget to tell you is how to do that. Well, I'm going to tell you today in this video. First, what is a money magnet website? A money magnet website can be defined as one that is geared up with an incorporated suite of both e-commerce and web marketing tools in a fashion that will permit you to be the most profitable with the least quantity of effort. Most e-commerce systems are equipped with the following essentials: a shopping cart, approval and processing of credit cards, an upkeep system that permits you to add and change items, an order retrieval system that enables you to meet orders. What most of them are lacking are marketing tools. There are numerous marketing techniques that are necessary in the development of a successful e-commerce website. Email marketing, broadcasting of prospectus, customers, effective use of autoresponders, produce automail email messages, online newsletter, online forms, a survey to record your possibilities, email addresses, electronically itemed shipments if you offer a digital product, advertisements, tracking, back-end sales, affiliate programs. Now, if you had a system that would support the integration of all of these marketing tools, in addition to the essential e-commerce basics, then you would have a money magnet website. It has actually been revealed that it typically takes 7 or more advertisement exposures prior to prospective customers really make a purchase. Think about the following scenarios. A possible click on advertisement in an online publication. You start to send them a monthly email newsletter. In addition, an autoresponder kicks in to thank them for signing up with their newsletter, as well as arranging them to get emails 2 times a month for the next 90 days, reiterating your item benefits and welcome them to acquire. Upon sending them among your juicy offers that they could not decline, then finally purchase, they will automatically be eliminated from your prospects list and contributed to your client list. Based upon a particular products or services they bought, they will get a series of emails every 2 weeks for the next 6 months, providing complimentary products. This will be the engine that you will drive your back-end sales and keep your customers returning to your website. Having the ability to play out a circumstance such as this, using one integrated system would be quite impressive, do not you believe? The web big kids do this with pricey e-commerce platform suites produced by suppliers such as IBM, Microsoft, or Oracle. Having your system instantly perform these following up tasks releases you approximately invest more time on your business, your health, and your family. What can you do to obtain a cash magnet website? There are ways that you can automate your site in much the same methods that the big young boys do. The best and most economical method would be to sign up with one of the handful of application services providers readily available on the internet, which offer a shopping cart incorporated with a complete suite of marketing tools. Typically, the shopping cart and tools are very flexible and can be incorporated into any site. Are there any other ways to automate your company besides working with a total solution company? You can achieve some levels of automation without an incorporated shopping cart system. Nevertheless, it will need manual intervention and naturally it would be incomplete. I think that the most crucial asset of your e-commerce business is your email list. Concentrating on the implementation of an excellent autoresponder list server system to enhance your present e-commerce website. There are numerous great ones on the internet market. Search for suppliers that enable you to create numerous lists. Add potential customers through a web kind email or by hand through a management console. Send out an unrestricted variety of autoresponder messages. Send out an unlimited variety of email broadcasts. Establish and disperse a newsletter. When setting up your autoresponder system, produce one list for your potential customers and another one for your consumers. Now, here's where you can be found in. When an individual orders your item, you will have to perform the additional tasks of logging into your autoresponder system and manually eliminate them from the possible list and add them to the client list. This action will then activate your consumer's autoresponder series of messages to be sent. Keep in mind the secret to constructing a successful e-commerce website is to automate your marketing engine as much as possible and drive your customers and prospects back to your website. This will definitely develop a cash magnet e-commerce website for you. Now, if you had a system that would support the combination of all of these marketing tools, in addition to the essential e-commerce essentials, then you would have a money magnet website. The web huge kids do this constantly. E-commerce platform suites produce and supply such as IBM, Microsoft and Oracle. I believe that most important possession of your e-commerce company is your email list. Concentrate on the application to a good autoresponder list service system to improve your present e-commerce site. As I have told you, when setting up your autoresponder system, develop one list for your potential customers and another one of your customers. Now, I do hope this short video has helped you. If you want more on how to earn money online, I've got a YouTube channel with over 340 videos on all about earning money on the internet. This is YouTube at Ian Jackson 1366. Over 330 videos, probably 340 by the time you get there, because I put them up every day. And once more, it's YouTube at Ian Jackson 1366. Below this video, there are lots of links. There are links to programs I joined and also tools I use. Now, every link is affiliated, so if you decide you want one of the tools and purchase or join one of the programs, I get a small commission. In amongst all them, there's one I would love to recommend to you. This is, as far as I'm concerned, one of the top programs I have ever used. Last year I was using it, which I had done for about 5 years. I had an email come through asking if I would like to sign up for a lifetime membership, which of course, because I liked it so much, I did it straight away. Cost me $159, I believe, or $170. I'm not quite sure what it was, but it was around about that range. Now, since I've used that, it's saved me so much time, as in their lifetime members area you have a block in there where you can put all the keywords you want to use, and within 4 to 5 hours they will send you 50 scripts made up with these different keywords. Saves you doing a search, so saves you hours. Also, you can use them straight away, whereas I used to have to search the internet, find what I wanted, copy, paste into Spin Rewriter, spin it, recopy, repaste into wherever I was going to use it, so it was safe to use because it was no longer copyright. But these 50 scripts are all ready for you, so one of the best programs I've come across. So, with all that said, before you do anything, please do your research. Go to Google, put in what you want to join in the browser bar, and they come up with pages and pages of items and sales pages, customers, guarantees, all that sort of thing that these firms do, so you know what you're getting into. Also, YouTube's another good one, but YouTube you have to put how to make money online, how to start an online business, how to ride a bike backwards up a hill, things like that. They come up with videos showing you how to do these things. So I suggest do your research, do it properly. YouTube and Google, they're the two I recommend. Now, underneath my video there's a like button. It's a thumbs up, I believe. If you click on that and press like and subscribe, that would help me. And also there's a bell up the top somewhere. Click on that bell and press all. YouTube will inform you when I put another video up. So this is Ian Jackson wishing you all the very best in your online ventures, and I do hope you come back. Please press the subscribe button and like. Thank you very much. Don't forget, research.